Hi guys, today we'll be seeing how in any Python code we can find and fix blocking and synchronous calls and change them to non-blocking and asynchronous calls. That too in a single click. Let's see this in action. So I have a very simple function here which is doing an API call. I can see scalability button which is coming here. Whenever you see any button from Codeant.ai, you should always click on them because every button is actionable. Let's click on it and see what it does. So it detected a request call that is happening in your code. This request call uses a synchronous library. What it means is whenever you are executing any program, this program will go ahead and block your threads. Until and unless this program is executed, next program won't be executed. This leads to underutilization of resources and very high scalability issues as your code can't scale beyond a certain threshold. Instead of this, what we need is something which uses an asynchronous library which does non-blocking calls, and your single thread can also handle thousands of concurrent requests. In Python, we can do it using AIO HTTP. So what we did was we took your blocking call and we changed it and made it non-blocking. One very good thing to notice here is we changed your def to async def, plus we added an await statement here. Why we added it? Let's say that this function was returning something very crucial. Let's say it was returning a transaction ID, which is required in next processing. The next function will actually fail if I don't have transaction ID returned by this function. Thus, if we don't add an await statement, all the calls after that will fail. That is why we add await to make sure none of your calls which are subsequent and dependent will fail ever. So as a developer, you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to copy this, come here, paste it. The moment you'll paste, you won't see scalability button again. Correct? This, I have shown it on a very small example. You can take it and play around on very large examples too. It'll work exactly the same. This is how you can change blocking calls into non-blocking calls in Python. That's our scalability demo. Thank you.